Welcome guys. Solving this video. So this is the Leetcode solving section. 693 is a binary number with alternating bits. So given a positive integer where check whether it has alternating bits, namely if two adjacent bits will always have different values. Okay, so for example, n equals to 5, the binary representation is 101, so 101, which is alternating. N equals to 7, 101 is alternating. It's not alternating, right? Because the next should be 0, right? 11, 1011 is not alternating because if it's alternating, it should be 1010. 10 is alternating. Okay. So I guess what I write is that if n less than or equal to 1, I think it should return true, right? Because you only have 1 or 0, so there's nothing to compare. It should return true. And then we first calculate the binary representation. So I use b, and n, right? And then replace the first 0 bit to be empty. So this b will be the string called 101 in this case, and then will be a string to be 101. And then I create a list. Basically, this list contains only true or false, right? So I create whether bi is not equal to bi equals to 1, right? For each I, right? And I go range, and I check whether bi is not the same as bi plus 1, and I collect all of it to be a list, right? So this list should be true, false, true, false. So for each element is true or false, and I ask all. So this all means that there's only one case that it will return true. Basically, if all of it is true, then it will return true. If all of it is true, then it will return true. Okay, so in this case, it will be true and true. In this case, it will be false and false. And in this case, the 1, 0 is not the same. It will become true, and the 0, 1 is not the same. It will become true, but final will false. So totally will false. Okay, so that's it. Very easy. I will see you guys in the next other videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.